In this video, I will show you how to find your Meta Pixel ID on Facebook, which is now also called Meta Pixel. If you want to find the ID of a Facebook Pixel or Meta Pixel, here's how to do it. I'm going to show you two ways, so if you cannot do it with the first method, I'll also show you a second method. The first method is through Meta Business Suite. To find the Facebook Pixel ID using Meta Business Suite, first open the URL business.facebook.com. This will open your Meta Business Suite account. Make sure you select the correct business account in the top left, where the Facebook Pixel has already been added. Once you've selected the account, look for Settings on the left and click on it. This will open the Facebook Business Settings page. From the list, select Business Assets. This will show all the assets that have been added to the account. To find the Facebook Pixels, click on the More button and select Pixels. This will display all the Facebook Pixels or Meta Pixels that have been created in this account. To find the Pixel ID, just select the pixel, and the Pixel ID will be shown. If you cannot access the Meta Business Suite account of a Facebook Pixel, you can still find the Pixel ID of any website. Simply Google Facebook Pixel Helper or Meta Pixel Helper and open the Chrome extension page. This is the official extension by Meta. Add it to Chrome or Microsoft Edge. Once installed, go to any website you want to check. It can be your website or any other. For example, if you open a site like monday.com, check the Chrome extension icon for the Facebook Pixel Helper. If there is a number shown, it means at least one pixel code is added to the website. If you don't see the extension right away, click the extension icon in Chrome and select Meta Pixel Helper from the list. Once you click on it, it will list all the Meta Pixels installed on that website. If there's one, you'll see its Pixel ID displayed, which you can copy to your clipboard and use however you need. That's how you find a Facebook Pixel ID of a Facebook Pixel or Meta Pixel.